So if you want to create any kind of marble effect, be it gloss, glaze, stucco, or putty, you have to create your background. In creating a background, you need what? You need a roller. So one of the tools we need is your roller. You can use your roller to do your gloss background, it's a certain background, or at least to stabilize your wall. After it has been screeded and sanded, you need a roller to apply stabilizing solution. So this is your number one tools you need to achieve a marble effect. So number two is your writing brush. Your writing brush is very, very important because it's one of the most important tools you need to create a marble effect, especially when you're doing a marble effect that has veins. You can't create veins without this. So this is another type of it. So this is around 4,000, 5,000 in the market. So you can just get whichever one you want, whichever one you prefer to create your marble effect. So another tool that we need, which is important, is our foam. This is very, very important, especially when we are creating gloss marble, glaze marble. In fact, sometimes we use this in stucco marble to do some kind of blending. I will be teaching us how to do all these things as time goes on. And as well, we need our trowel, especially when we are doing stucco marble or putty marble. We need our trowel. What we need this thing for is to create the kind of effect, the kind of pattern we want. We need to create it with this, or we use it to create our background, Another tools that we need is your shining trowel. This is very, very essential, especially when you are doing stucco marble, because the essence of doing stucco marble is to have that mirror marble look finish. So you need your shining trowel to shine it after you must have created everything you need to create. Another thing is your big size stainless scraper. This can be used to do a lot of magic. There's some kind of marble effect that if you don't have this, you won't be able to create it perfectly well. You can't compare this to this. What they do is different. What you can achieve with this, you can't achieve it with this. So all these tools are very, very important for you to get. Then last upon the list is your best friend, your stainless scraper, your 3 inches or 4 inches stainless scraper. You should always have this, because this is what you will use to pick material and mold on your trowel. This is what you'll be using. So get a stainless scraper. You can see all the tools I'm showing to you, all of them are stainless. So don't use anything aside stainless. The reason why we use stainless is because it will not rust. It will not stain your job. It will not affect it. It will not spoil your work. So get stainless scrapers, stainless tools. So another tool that we can use to do marble effect, which is not available here, is airbrush. Airbrush sprayer is a kind of sprayer whereby it sprays a very tiny line, which we can actually use to create veins as well. So airbrush sprayer is another tool, but it's not readily available here. So we need a spraying can too, in case we are doing stucco marble, or we are doing gloss marble and we want to varnish it or wax it. We need a sprayer to just spray it to give us a very flat and smooth finish. So with this, I believe we are now familiar with the tools that we need to create marble effect. So as time goes on, we get to understand the process involved in using each and every one of these tools. Thank you very much for following this course this far. Thank you.